Buongiorno paisani! We are here in Rodden on this overcast, cloudy day. But you know what? We make the sunshine. And today we're making more than sunshine. We're making ricotta. Yes! So if you watched the previous movie video that I made, you might have heard two Sicilian words that are very awkward. It's vasquedra. That's the little basket when you scoop up the ricotta, you put it in there. It's vasquedra. It's a little basket. Or in Italian, we say cestino. That's the best way I can explain it. And then, with the leftover liquid, what we do, because we don't throw out anything, the leftover liquid of the ricotta, we do a zambinata. What's that? Well, we take the liquid and we put hard bread in it, and we make the bread absorb all that liquid and we eat it. And it is amazing. This is a very Sicilian tradition to make ricotta at home. It brings me back very fond memories of my childhood. My father used to do it and I used to help him when I was young. So vasquedra is the basket where you scoop up the ricotta and you put it in. And a zambinata, that's right, I keep forgetting. Zambinata is the liquid that's left over after the ricotta is made. You dip your hard bread in it and you eat it nice and warm. It goes down smooth and easy. It is great, fantastic. This is Sicilian tradition, Sicilian customs, and we're all enjoying it here. So from all of us at Associazione Ribera and from yours truly, Big Mama Siciliana, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.